Hey guys, my name is Scott Anderson. Welcome to Start Funnels. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 basic steps of how to start affiliate marketing in 2019 and beyond. Okay, this video is for someone that wants to make money online, or if they've been studying affiliate marketing for a long time, or if they're a complete brand new person. If you want to do affiliate marketing the right way, here is the steps. Step number 1, things you don't need. You do not need a current following. So you don't need to have a successful Instagram, Facebook, YouTube channel, or anything like that, okay? Another thing you don't need is a website. I really don't think you need a website to be successful as of right now. You've probably been told all of these things. You need a following, you need to have a blog, you need to have a website, you need to have a brand. You don't need to have a fancy name or a brand. Those things, in my opinion, are just holding you back. You're trying to think of the most creative, cool name. You're trying to buy a domain. You're investing money to do that. You want to set up your cool custom email. That's stuff that I personally have, that's a struggle for me. And I took a long time to get over that. And now I'm publishing content and I'm seeing results. So you don't need that. Sure enough, I received $1,250 without a big following, without a website. I mean, yes, I have a website, but that's not how I got that sell. And it didn't really matter, I don't think, that I had a fancy name. In fact, I changed my fancy name from Start Funnels to Scott Anderson because I think that's better. So step number 2, start a YouTube channel. So this is how you can make money online, and that is with YouTube. And I specifically will teach you how to do that with affiliate marketing. So you will see all the big top dog affiliate marketers out there right now are using YouTube. Does that mean that there's not an opportunity right now? No, that does not mean that. That means that it's working for them. So why would you not do it that exact same way? So start a YouTube channel. Use your own name or something just generic. So you could say, affiliate marketing is your name of your channel, or Scott Anderson, or how to make money online, or I don't know, something. Just move on. Like, choose something and forget it. Like, just go on, because really it's going to come down to creating content. So another thing is just learn from other YouTubers. So find other people that are doing affiliate marketing. So I teach all about affiliate marketing on this channel, so please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or other people, that are teaching about affiliate marketing. Like, follow them, learn from them, and literally make similar videos to what they're doing. So, like, find the same keywords that they're teaching and just kind of duplicate the same thing that they're doing. I don't think other YouTubers would even mind. Maybe they do. I don't care. I don't think it's a bad issue at all. Step number 3, find a product. So most of the time, the successful entrepreneurs right now that are doing affiliate marketing online are doing digital products, selling courses, selling software. I personally like selling high ticket items, because when someone clicks on the link and buys, I get a bigger commission rather than a tiny small commission. Another great thing is getting recurring revenue, monthly passive income streams from doing affiliate marketing. So choose something that you like, trust, and are passionate about. You don't want to promote something that you don't believe in. You have to really believe in the product or the service, and then you'll feel confident about it, and then you can truly teach people and provide value when creating your YouTube videos. And then sure enough, just make videos about it. And the more consistent you are with creating these videos, the more and more of a following you have, the more and more people will be clicking on your links. That's how you're going to drive traffic. And when people click on your links and buy the products, and you will get paid. So that's how you get paid. You share a link. To get a little bit more technical is to build a lead generator with a funnel. So what is a funnel? All right, let's say I create a YouTube video and I say click on the link below. Well, when they click on the link, it'll be a web page that says, like, hey, enter your email address here to get the free whatever. Then they're gonna get the free thing, and then it's like, hey, for an extra $1,000, get this awesome course that will help you do it the right way, or buy this $10 item that will help you do it the right way. So to save time in building out funnels, I highly suggest getting ClickFunnels. You can get a 14-day trial. I have a link below in the description. That is the best funnel creator on the market right now. And if you are a beginner and you're not technical savvy, and even if you are technical savvy, that, in my opinion, is the best way. You will want to do this because you will want to capture their email or send them through like a Facebook Messenger bot or something. And you really don't even need this. Like, if you want to just get paid without any technical stuff and just get something out there, like, the technical stuff is a barrier that people think that they have to have in place in order to be successful, and that is completely false. Like, you do not need that. You can literally do a video review about a cool product and just add the direct link right there. If they click on it, you get paid. Simple as that. So guys, keep it simple. Next, if you're serious about making money online or serious about affiliate marketing, I suggest to use this business model that I've already shared with you, those 4 basic steps. And if you really are serious, I suggest, if you really want to see profits or really change your life or really have freedom moving on and quit your 9-to-5 job, I suggest to invest in yourself and your business to save you time and to really learn from some gurus. So I currently right now am a part of the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. And guys, it is awesome. Why is it awesome? Because they teach you step-by-step training, and it is up to date. Like, these are people, there's literally 4 mentors within the group that are teaching step-by-step. And I am getting messages, private messages in a group from the mentors and other students daily. I mean, I see it like hourly. It's almost obnoxious how many messages I'm getting. But it's all value. Another cool thing about this system is that, or this course or training, is that it is a system where you can then re-promote it and get a commission, and it's 50% commission. So it's a product right here where you can get paid out. So there's a link below to the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. It is brand new as of this month. I highly suggest checking it out at least. And if you join my team, I will also be a mentor to help you be successful. I really will be teaching you this business model, and I can give you much more in-depth training. Another reason why you'd want to get the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator for this specific business model of doing YouTube is because Joshua Elder, the creator of this program, is huge on YouTube. He has earned 6 to 7 figures doing affiliate marketing. He has 50,000 followers currently, and he teaches all about his YouTube secrets and going into the nitty-gritty stuff to be successful. So guys, I hope you found this video valuable. I hope this made sense. If you do not want to appear on camera, this will be hard for you, but you still can do it. You can do like slideshow videos like I'm doing here, just not show your face. Although I would not recommend that. I would recommend forgetting about yourself and jumping into the computer, filming yourself, providing value to other people, because that is where you're going to earn people's money, because you are helping them, guiding through the process. So guys, once again, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, give me a like, and please comment below if you have any questions or comments. And guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.